People often tend to say the youths are the future. However, forget they can also make a huge impact in the present.
Hi, my name is Beth and I'm a 20-year-old Welsh student.
Hi, my name's Elena.
My name's Avery.
My name's Archie.
My name's Ella.
My name is Eva.
My name's Finn.
My name is Tanya.
My name is Lahina.
My name's Leon.
My name's Sandra.
Megan dwi'n 21 oed a dwi wrth fy modd yn gwrddoli a dwi'n meddwl bod yn brofiad gwerthfawr iawn achos nid yn unig ydych chi'n helpu pobl mewn angen a chyfrannu tuag at welliannau yn eich cymuned chi, ond ydych chi hefyd yn cryfhau eich CV a ehangu eich cyfleon o ran cyflogadwyedd yn y dyfodol.
I like to volunteer because it's the best way I can have a direct impact on both my community and my immediate environment. And if you're young or if you're old, you really should be volunteering to have an actual impact.
To have an amazing experience while really getting to know new places, cultures and people.
You get to meet people who care about the same things that you do, and together you can make a difference.
You'll be able to develop skills and gain experiences that you can one day use in your professional lives.
When done for the right reasons, I think volunteering is really important because it's beneficial not only for yourself but also for others. In the past, it has taught me so much about empathy and compassion, and those are lessons I keep dear to my heart.
I think it enriches the community you live in.
I met so many new people and it opened me to a world of new experiences, and I've done it again and again and through different events and different genres and different people, and you get exposed to completely new worlds that you didn't even know existed.
I'm a volunteer because I want to make a difference in life. For myself, for someone else, and as mentioned, in the world.
I think to take that passion into volunteering can give young people so much perspective in life and so much power because of that.
This is our time to make a difference in the world we're going to live in. We can shape the future just by giving a few hours of our time.
And it's just a world of people who really care, and that's really, really fun.
So, join the power of youth and sign up to volunteer today.
Join the power of youth.
Join the power of youth.
Join the power of youth.
Ymunwch efo #PowerOfYouth neu #PwerIeunctid a chofrestrwch i wirfoddoli heddiw.